Once again, welcome back to Tanmoy the artist. Friends, today again I have drawn a picture, very beautiful picture. I'm going to show you in couple of seconds. Before I show you the picture which I have drawn today, I would like to share that what are the ingredients I have used to draw that picture. So today I have done a pencil painting, pencil drawing, but I have used color pencils to draw that picture, and I'm going to show you one by one that what are the pencils I have used to draw that picture. So let me share. So this is the one, you can see this is brown, this is kind of purple, not pink, though it looks like pink, but it is kind of it is between pink and purple. The name is not mentioned here, but it is between pink and purple. This is deep green, or else you can say dark green. Then this is the one, light green, which I have used. And these pencils are from Cello and Faber-Castell. This is dark brown. And what else? And this ash color I have used. And this deep yellow or slightly dark yellow, that I have used. And this deep blue also I have used. Apart from that, I have used one important color, that is this, which is black. So I have used this also. So these are the ingredients. Apart from this, what else I have used? Let me show you. Yeah, this is also very important. This is masking tape. I have used this also. This white gel pen I have used. And this is the page which I have used, which is a normal art paper. It comes in A3 size and it cost around 15 to 20 rupees. And this is the picture which I have drawn. Can you see it? This is Indian white-eye bird, which can be seen in southern part of India. So if you have been to Karnataka, then definitely you can spot them. So that's it, friend. Stay tuned, watch the full video to learn the methods, to learn the techniques, that how I have created this beautiful picture. And my videos are basically designed for beginners. So if you have started your art journey, then definitely this video is for you. You can get to learn many new things in the video. And if you like the video, then don't forget to give me a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with other beginners, those who love art and they have started their journey also like you. And if you are visiting my channel for the very first time, then please do subscribe, because your subscriptions means a lot to me, to my channel. And if you subscribe, then the channel grows further and my videos would be enabled to reach out more people, more audience. Thank you. A basic outline has already been drawn, and to draw that I have used 2B pencil, and now I am starting this coloring session. Stay tuned to learn it. Thank you friends, thank you for watching the entire video and liking it and loving it. Thank you for your immense support. Please keep liking, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel to grow. uh, See you on the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.